Hello and welcome back to another video. Today is a very exciting day. We have the S20 Ultra and this is the retail box. This is what you will get if you order this phone. So I'm going to show you guys everything that's in the box and then give it my first impressions. Alright. So we just have one tab up here. And there it is. Let's put this off to the side just for a second. Oh wow. And then right in here, we'll show you the paperwork. And if you get anything like a case or something, and you do not get a case, you do get your SIM card tool. We'll get the paper out from this side. Just telling you that you have a screen protector on it, quick reference, talk about Samsung Care, and terms and conditions. Alright, we'll put that off to the side as well. Okay, and in the actual box, you get the 25-watt charger. It's very quick. I use it on the Note 10 Plus, and it's very nice. There looks to be nothing in here. Yep, I guess that's just for packaging aesthetics. Here is the charging cable. Yep. Charging cable, USB Type-C to USB Type-C. And then you got these braided AKG headphones, which is also USB Type-C because there's no headphone jack on the S20, unlike on the S10. Alright, let's start up the phone real quickly. Oh wait, the best part. We gotta take off the plastic for you guys. That's nice. The camera bump is huge, and it's easy to see the space zoom, but not completely. Do have light on here. It's hard to see for you, but I can see it. Let's start it up real quickly. And right here, I'll bring up my Note 10 Plus. Obviously, the Note has a more boxy design, where the S20 Ultra...
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Okay, Bixby. As you can see, the S20 Ultra's cutout is a lot smaller, and they seem to be roughly the same size, but a really big difference is the sides are a lot less curved, and I actually really like that. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to pause this video, I'm going to set up the phone and everything, and then give you guys my first impressions. Okay, and we are back. So I set up the phone and did some quick things, but for the most part, it's not how I want it exactly yet. I did turn on the 120 Hz display, but here are my quick first impressions. I really enjoy the 120 Hz display. The flat screen is so nice. It's got a little bit of heft to it, especially in comparison to the Note 10 Plus, but for good reason. The battery life on this is supposed to be great, with that 5,000 mAh battery in there, compared to the 4,300 mAh battery on the Note 10 Plus. I'm going to play around with the camera and everything and compare it to the iPhone 11 Pro Max and maybe to the Note 10 Plus, but we'll see. I'm very excited to see how this thing does. As I'm going through this, I just can't believe how smooth the display is. I love the 120 Hz. Real quickly, I want to show you guys something on YouTube. So right here you can see, due to the aspect ratio of the S20 Ultra, there is no hole punch protrusion on any of the bars. So I actually really like that because the asymmetry sometimes bother me a little bit, but with the change in aspect ratio, you will see that the black bars are a little larger. I don't personally mind this, but you are getting a little bit less screen in comparison to the Note 10 Plus. And then when I did play some videos on it real quickly, I noticed how great the speakers are on the S20 Ultra. in comparison to the Note 10 Plus, it felt a lot better. It didn't do the vibrating thing where the note at large volumes can vibrate, but nevertheless, that wasn't a huge issue to me anyway. Alright, so comment down below what videos you want to see me do with the S20 Ultra. I'm going to do a camera comparison tomorrow, so expect that video very soon. And then maybe I'll do like a 72-hour impressions and review after a week. We'll see exactly. Whatever you guys want, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching. Peace.